I was top 2 in the world for 12 years at my peak. When I started training, I never imagined being Mr. Olympia. That wasn't my goal. My goal was to be financially secure.
Jay Cutler, born on August 3, 1973 in Sterling, Massachusetts, is a name that stands tall in the world of professional bodybuilding. With a career spanning more than 2 decades, Cutler earned his place as one of the sport's most iconic figures. He is best remembered for his intense rivalry with Ronnie Coleman and his impressive victories at the Mr. Olympia competition. Known for his relentless dedication, work ethic, and a physique that set the standard for aesthetics, Cutler has inspired millions and remains a legend in the bodybuilding community. Growing up as the youngest of 7 siblings in a small town, Cutler learned the value of hard work early on. His family owned a construction business, and working there gave him a strong physical foundation. Initially, his interest in weight training was sparked at age 18, primarily to build strength for football. However, as he started lifting, he found his true passion lay in bodybuilding. In 1992, he entered his first competition, the Gold's Gym Worcester Bodybuilding Championships, and secured a 2nd place finish, a promising start to what would become a legendary career. By the mid-1990s, Cutler was making waves in the amateur bodybuilding scene. His combination of size, symmetry, and impeccable conditioning quickly set him apart. In 1996, he achieved a major milestone by winning the NPC Nationals, earning his IFBB Pro Card. This was his official entry into the world of professional bodybuilding. Early on, he became known for his unwavering discipline and tireless work ethic, traits that helped him rise through the ranks steadily. One of the most defining aspects of Jay Cutler's career was his rivalry with Ronnie Coleman, an 8-time Mr. Olympia champion. For years, Cutler found himself in the runner-up spot behind Coleman, who was renowned for his unmatched size and dominance. However, Cutler's persistence never wavered. In 2006, after years of being second best, he finally defeated Coleman at the Mr. Olympia, ending Coleman's reign and cementing his own status as the top bodybuilder in the world. This victory was a turning point, showcasing Cutler's ability to evolve and improve continuously. Cutler's achievements at Mr. Olympia are legendary. He clinched the prestigious title 4 times, in 2006, 2007, 2009, and 2010. His 2009 win was particularly historic, as he became the first bodybuilder ever to reclaim the Mr. Olympia title after losing it the previous year to Dexter Jackson. His impressive physique, characterized by massive quads, broad shoulders, and a signature V-taper, made him a standout on stage and a favorite among fans. During this period, Cutler also developed friendly rivalries with other top athletes, including Phil Heath and Dexter Jackson. Phil Heath, who would go on to become a 7-time Mr. Olympia winner, was often considered Cutler's protege. Their rivalry, while competitive, was marked by mutual respect and added an exciting dynamic to the competitions of the late 2000s. Jay Cutler's training and nutrition regimen was nothing short of extraordinary. He followed a high-volume workout approach, often hitting the gym twice a day. His training sessions were intense, focusing heavily on compound movements like squats, bench presses, and deadlifts, complemented by isolation exercises to refine his physique. Cutler's diet was equally demanding. At the peak of his career, he consumed as many as 7,000 calories per day to fuel his rigorous training schedule. His diet was carefully planned, prioritizing lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. His meals typically included staples like chicken, fish, steak, brown rice, oatmeal, and plenty of vegetables, spread across 7 to 8 meals a day. This meticulous approach to training and nutrition was a key factor in his success and longevity in the sport. Jay Cutler's impact on the bodybuilding world goes far beyond his titles. He set a new standard for what a champion physique should look like. Massive yet symmetrical, powerful yet aesthetic. Even after retiring from competitive bodybuilding in 2013, his influence remains strong. He has successfully transitioned into business with his supplement line, Cutler Nutrition, and continues to inspire fans through social media, sharing workout tips and insights into the fitness lifestyle. Cutler's story is a testament to perseverance, hard work, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. From a small-town kid lifting weights to a global icon of bodybuilding, his journey serves as an inspiration to anyone striving to achieve greatness in their field. He remains a respected figure in the fitness industry, embodying the spirit of a champion long after stepping off the stage.